Hi, I thought of making this quick video to better explain the concept I'm talking about. So it's much easier than writing on the forum and explaining. So basically, this is that Excel RTD worksheet. So the data being downloaded here, historical data also successfully downloaded. This is a 15 minutes chart, and up to 5 days of data is recorded here live. And here on these columns, you can see a proprietary indicator which I developed that is being calculated. And this is the indicator value on column O. So how this indicator looks like, you can have a look at that MT4. And this is the 15 minutes candles versus the indicator. And I call it ultimate divergence. And yeah, there are certain calculations and overall philosophy based on which a strategy I devised, and struggling to back test it. I'm somehow trying to forward test it live, but it's still very difficult without any automation. So what I was looking for was something like, okay, to make it a little bit more understandable, let's call this column A as the bullish probability, and this one, the next to it, the AB is the bearish probability. And the difference between these two values is giving me the net probability, which is not the yellow one, but this one, AF. So which is something like minus 24 or something. So this is basically the net probability or the strength of the current trend. And then according to this probability, I want to open a position. This is just a very theoretical thing, and basically to back test and see how this concept working may not be practical for doing actual trading. So what I'm trying to do is to open a trade at the close of each candle. So basically, say for example on this one, I had say 25% probability, and suppose I had 25 lots or 25,000 of this currency pair short. So if my current probability changes to 24, then I will just have to buy back 1,000 quantity, which is this one. And then from minus 25, I will become minus 24. So that's the whole concept. So when this candle closes, I just have to take a trade, and the quantity will be same as this. So if it is 0, for example, currently, then there will be no action. But at the end of the candle, if it changes to 1,000 or 2,000 or minus 2,000, accordingly, a trade will be taken. So what I'm looking for is basically this value needs to be sensed at the end of each candle. And then accordingly, this value will be copied here, and this sell or buy also will be logically copied here. These are pretty simple things. This can be done. But the only automation needed is to place the trade exactly at the end of candle, at the end of each 15 minutes. So that's where I need some help, and looking for a possibility if this can be done or not. So please comment on that. And if you find this interesting, we can talk more about this later. But let's find a solution for this first, whether what I'm trying to achieve is feasible, is doable or not. That's it. Thanks.